Shakas. Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka and I'm back to share more entries in my Memorydex birthday challenge that I'm hosting. It does end on January 31st and I will be announcing the winner shortly after that. But here's the next two entries, which I believe are 7 and 8, and we'll one at a time. So this one here is from Cruising with Crystal, and she's from New York, and I just wanted to shout her out. She also was a winner of my hidden giveaway and of a video that I showed previously, and I'll leave that link below so you can watch that video. But she did win, and so just congratulations, Crystal. Thanks for joining in on the fun on my channel here, and thank you for entering my Memorydex challenge. So look at how cute. So it's got a Sunday sticker, happy Valentine's, and then this washi here on the bottom, Cupid is stupid. And then this beautiful trim, it has like, I don't know if you can see, but the tiny arrows, I like that. Okay. Oh, and she did do a VR, so I will link her channel below. She is Cruising with Crystal, again, here on YouTube. What's up, girl? And look at her Memorydex, Pink Alicious. It says Together Forever. The bikes, she's the heart doily. I like this pink glitter paper, and then she's got some puffy hearts, and then she did include some die cuts. Let's go through these. Oh, they're so cute. And so this bicycle with the balloons and the basket in the front. I have a basket like this on my bicycle, but I put my doggy in it. Here's another one. Oh, I like this one. Oh, woof woof. There. So let's share. She is Cruising with Crystal, like I said, here on YouTube. She was born in April on the 2nd. Her favorite colors are purple, pink, and teal. Her favorite craft items are stickers, and she loves chocolate, coffee, butterflies, and birds. Well, thank you so much for entering, and good luck, girl. Our next entry comes from, it's actually here local, Phoenix, from V. Mendoza. So let's check this out. Another local. I love it. I'm meeting all these local people. We can get together soon to craft together, I'm sure. Oh, and she sent me a Disney card. I love it. The Mickey trim, washi tape. These are cut out. There's like texture to this paper, and I don't know if you can see that, but oh, I like this topper. I wonder if this is a die or a punch that you have. Let me know. So Virginia is here in Arizona. She is Love to Create here on YouTube. She was born in February on the 15th, so she's got a birthday coming up. Her favorite colors are pink. She likes paper crafts. She loves candy. In fact, her childhood nickname was Candy House Tramp. That's so funny. Oh, thank you so much for entering my challenge. And look at these beautiful paper clips. Wow. I love them. Goofy, Pluto, Mickey, Minnie. Some of my favorite friends. I like how you made this little tuck thing for them too. That's a good idea. And I think this is a cupcake liner. She probably folded and then topped it off with an embellishment. Oh, this is a great idea. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. Oh, and then there's a card. Let's see. Oh, this is a beautiful card, and it's got layers to it. You can see the layers. Yeah. Huh. And it says, happy birthday. Oh, this is a cute cupcake. And it says, hope you have a wonderful birthday. Happy crafting, Virginia Mendoza. Love to create. Thank you, Virginia. Thank you so much for participating in my challenge. And I look forward to hopefully connecting with you in the future. So those are my 2 entries that I have today. Hope you guys are having a great evening and stay safe. Like the video if you like it. Give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to join me on my crafty journey. I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers and have a great evening. Shakas.